Good morning, my people. Actually, no, I didn't start this properly. Hi, guys. Coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer, Mr. FBK in the morning. I hope you guys are having. Oh shit, my camera is a bit blurry. I hope you guys are having a fantastic morning so far. Yeah, so this is the situation. I haven't slept ever since. I've actually opened a trade with about 4 accounts. So this is like the first account, this is like the second account. Sorry, it's a bit blurry. Oh my god. Yeah, this is like the second account, and I still have 4 more accounts. Which are running on trades as we speak. But you need to understand that obviously having these accounts run on trades right now is a bit risky. So now I just wanted to remind you guys the power and the authority of the market direction. And now so many of my followers have been having problems with the trades that I've been doing, with the accounts, huge accounts that I've been doing. So I want you to have a look right now. There is no huge account here. So this account, it was on $120. Actually, it's on $120. Obviously, plus the 100% deposit bonus. So that makes the equity to be $240. But nonetheless, it's still $120. So you can see the floating profit on, actually, let me pin it here so there's no confusion. FBK market direction. Second wave. Yeah. So I'm just reminding those who follow me, those who look up to me, that I'm still in the game. So now, yeah, as you can see, $120. I'm sitting on 300 and something, 350, 338 floating profit. That is almost, actually more than 300% returns should I close this trade right now. That is what I'm gonna get, right? That is the first account. Remember, I've got 4 accounts who are running on this trade. So the big ones I don't want to show you guys because at some point they no longer become inspirational, because you can always see lot size 100 where else you're still using lot size 1. So I just wanted to remind you guys that it is possible to do this with a small account. Right now, the second device has $1,200. It's sitting on about $2,000 or so. Now look at the lot sizes. The lot sizes are not crazy. Here we have lot size 2 on 600 profit, and we have lot size 4 on $1,300 profit. I've been on this trade since 4 in the morning, and I don't put stop losses because every time I fucking open the trade, I'm willing to lose everything I have in the account, and this is why I'm always telling FBK students: you don't deposit $1,200 if you're not willing to lose $1,200. That is just the truth. You can't deposit what you're not willing to lose. That is the main problem that most traders are having. They wanna deposit this much, but they don't wanna lose it. So I don't know, why are you still trading, to begin with? So yeah, you can see the progress right now. You can see the progress. FBK market direction, second wave. We are just on our second event. Today's event was actually more like a surprise event. It's not part of the market direction list. So I still have 2 more accounts, which I might show you later on. I might not show you. So this was just to remind you that even with small accounts, this is doable. Who can give you $300 nowadays? Now let us count Those who are asking risk management, Chief, you don't talk to me about that. Risk management is for people like you, not me. Now I don't need risk management. I know what I'm doing. Risk management is for you who don't know what you are doing. So you can't tell me about risk management. Now I've been doing this for 5 years now. I've been trading for like 5 years, full years. I was actually celebrating 5 years. About 2 weeks or a week ago. So risk management is for you amateurs. You don't tell me that, Chief. It's for you. Don't ask me about risk management. It's for you who's still a toddler in the game. You are still learning. So it's your duty to apply risk management. You can't tell me about risk management, Chief. So what will me losing $1,200 do to my net worth? Exactly. But it will cripple your net worth. It will cripple you if you were to lose this. So you can do risk management far away from me, play far away from me. Whenever I open a trade, I'm willing to lose my money. So what does risk management have to do with everything? Because I know what I'm doing. So it's you who have to apply risk management. With your $100, you need to use 0.001 because you know you got your $100 through hustling. You worked hard for it. Now I don't work hard for anything. I've worked hard all my life. Risk management is for everyone. $100 from this deposit to what's the profit now? It's still loading. Or 363. From $100, that is 1,400 to 363. Like from 1,400 to 5,200 profit. Just like that. After I talk about I won't even bother calculating for this account. Just here, from 1,400 rand to 1,000 to 5,200. Just like that. It's someone else's salary. When it's like this, you must exit on the trade. Do you guys understand? I was here on this one, just to make it clear, I am not trading to make profit. Just let me make it clear. With this account, I was not trading to make profit. I was trading to inspire you, to show you that it is still possible to make profit with small accounts. You have seen it. For from 1,400 to what you call to 5,200 rand, just like that, just being on the trade for a couple of hours, 2-3 hours or so, right? So I'm just showing you what will I do with $350. That is the reason why I'm not exiting on this trade. I still have my $100, but working my 100 lot size running somewhere hidden. I might show you, I might not show you. So it's up to me because I haven't slept. So I'm going to sleep now. I'm going to rest. And then if I wake up on the good side of things, I might show you. Otherwise, I don't owe to show you still. So I'm just showing you that it is possible with a small account. Then this is like a medium account. You can see as well. This is like a medium account. It's sitting on 2.2 from $1,273 as well. So you can see the lot sizes. They are a bit low. You know, the profit is huge. So I'm just showing you guys that it's possible. This is not my profit. This is you can't say this is profit for me. What will I do with $300? Just ask yourself, what will I do with $300 exactly? So I'm just showing you. So when I'm showing you this, you mustn't ask me stupid questions. Daddy, bargaining. You must apply risk management. You are telling me you are still poor even now, but you are telling me what I must do. You are still poor. You are still telling me what I must do. I've been trading for 5 years, Chief. If this was a relationship, kikira bofebe, I would be on another level mfana. I could say bo re tla be ke feba o tshwana le mang mfana. I will be on another level mfana. Mfana, I've graduated. Sang khupisha mkhoti. It's still early in the morning. Usang khupisha. But otherwise, yeah, I'm just doing this to inspire those who look up to me. Otherwise, lena ba bangalanya maratalena. Ebile la ntseba nna ebile ke jima sepe. Lena ba bang ba fanana ba di forex maratalena ka mga lena. If ba bang ba sa robetše ke gopela ro ba tsoši o ba botše re coach or maratalena still a ke le tšhabo ka mga lena le di small boys ke a le botša. But otherwise, those who look up to me, I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for you. Just hang in there. Find a way to get inspired through my journey. I've been trading for like 5 full years now. 5 full years of trading. So, ke diela o inspire lena. Ba bang ba banya mara ta bona. Ba botša ka moka napa ke ba tšhaba fana yana ba mona. Ba katla one by one. Ke ba nyaka one by one. If yo, Mamzo is calling. Hey, Mamzo.
Okay.
Ke gopotse ke sere phone Vincent. Ke montlo.
Re re ke wa simpauta, ona wa simpauta ke bona wa mo Fatima, ona wa simpauta.
O a gona se sepe. All right, sharp. Ke tlo botsa Vincent no, sharp.
Okay, sharp.
Yeah, that was auntie Mwamontlong. So she's saying washing powder ran out. So I'm thinking of withdrawing $3. $3. You see, now this is what I love about trading. Trading is the best. Like it's the best life ever. Now auntie needs washing powder. Washing powder is $3. So I take $3 from this profit and then I go buy auntie washing powder. Problem solved. Bread, it's $1. You see, I'm living in America. Now I'm plus of life. So I need to, unfortunately, I need to go get washing powder for auntie so she can do our laundry and all that. So yeah. Otherwise, I love you guys so much. This is the FBK market direction second wave, and it is actually closing on the 19th of when is it? 19th of April. Yeah, on Monday, next week Monday. Otherwise, I love you so much, guys. I hope you're inspired from 1,400 rent deposit to no, let me recalculate. Actually, let me recalculate because it's like I'm saying RSC. Oh, from 1,700. Sorry, it's $120. From 1,700 USD deposit, 1,700 USD deposit to a profit of 380 to a profit of I would say 5.5. Who can give you this money? Nobody. Go to your partner right now and go ask for this money. Nobody. Go to your family. Go ask for this money. Nobody. Nobody's gonna give you this money. You have to hustle, people. But you need to understand that what I'm doing comes with high risk. I was willing to lose $120. I was willing to lose $1,200. Now, how do you fucking expect to make money without willing to lose anything? You see, that is when I know we are dealing with amateurs. You wanna make money, but you're not willing to lose money. Every time you lose money, you cry, you blame your mentor. You know, that sucks. You must man up. This game is not for everybody. If you want to make money, risk your money to make more. Otherwise, stay home, sell Herbalife, or do other shit out there. This game is not for kids. It's not for cheese boys, this game. It's not for everybody. Otherwise, I love you guys so much. Those who are getting inspired, I appreciate the love, the support you've been showing FBK. Since we are celebrating 5 years of FBK, of me trading, and 4 years of FBK, on the 15th of May, I will be doing a birthday celebration. Appreciate me, people, when I'm still alive. You must appreciate me when I'm still alive. I've paved the way for so many traders, even though na le marete ke a le tseba le na le marete a le fa le bona ka le thomo dia di profit nyana le thomo grow di balls mara you are the reason I am the reason why you are trading today ke a tseba le na le marete le na ba bantši mara ba sha ke a le botša a ka le chabo ka mga ga lena and ebile a ke tlo rarela ke mopedi nna a ke kgopišege ke bolela segagešo. Otherwise lena ba bangwe, those who look up to me ke le rata ba botlhe, thank you so much. I will see you on the other side of the fence. Maybe I might go live showing you my bigger account, so don't say coach made $300. $300 a se selo mo ga ka mena o sa ntshoshe ka batho ke le rata ba botlhe. Bye bye. Ngithanda bonke amakhaya le bafana ba Forex ba le ba botjeng gore nna coach ke re mara ta bona a ke ba chabu ka moka lwena bo ge tjega go chabe if one try mara. Otherwise, if you are looking up to me, I love you so much, brother and sister. Tata ana ke na le masepa papago.